All right, we're in the back. And we're going to do a quick calculate delta HP1, delta HP2, and delta H reaction. We're going to need categories. And we're going to have to remember breaking is endothermic, making is exothermic. Do not reinvent the rules of the energetics of the universe.
Are the PKAs going to come and hunt us again?
Yeah, PKAs will never go away. He asked, are PKAs going to come and hunt us again? This is not a PKA question at all, but yes, PKAs will be coming back every time. So what we have here is prop 1. I didn't label it on this one, but that was this one. Prop 1, prop 2, and overall. And I'm going to put my delta H's. Delta H is always in kilojoules per mole because that's what this handout says. So I put it there. So if I write things in purple now, they're in kilojoules per mole. But the category, our lovely discussion of allylic has disappeared. Why are we no longer concerned about allylic? There's no double bond, so there's no carbon adjacent to a double bond. These are straight up categories from test 1. What is the category of a carbon that has 2 bonds to carbon? Secondary. So we're going to find a number for CH on a secondary carbon. HCl is by itself, and that'll be, and this one's going to be a positive number, and this one's going to be a negative number. How come I know this is going to be a negative number for this bond? It's a new bond. It was made. It didn't exist before. So new bonds are negative. Yeah. And this one's just ClCl. It'll be positive because you're breaking it. And this one's secondary CCl, negative because you're making it. So we're going to go hunt these 4 numbers. I'm going to have somebody write them down for me because I can't remember 4 numbers anymore. Okay?
Okay, I've got to remember the first
2. He's got the first 2 covered. We're just going to go back 1 page and blow up our delta H table. Secondary carbon bonded to H, just secondary, not secondary allylic. Hey, it's already highlighted. Nice. 4O2. This carbon has 2 bonds to carbon. Please verify that. It puts it in the same category, means the same energy. On your test, none of these molecules will be your molecule, I promise. It's all categories. It's not find my molecule. Okay, category. All right. So 4O2, one of the numbers, Jad.
4O2.
And HCl was another number.
Yeah, CL was
Well, it's right here. But it was made negative 431. Okay, I'm going to do them now because I can do 2 numbers. Plus 402, negative 431. Plus 402 for CH on a secondary carbon. Negative 431 for H bonded to Cl. You see where I'm going? And then now I want ClCl and secondary C bonded to Cl. Moving back a page again. Secondary CCl is this one, isn't it? And we made it. Made it. I'm not breaking it. Yeah, it's negative 339 when I make it, and I'm gonna forget that number.
And we need the ClCl.
ClCl way over here. You're breaking it. You got to put in plus 247, and I forgot the other number already. All right. Oh, I'm not even in the right place. Here we go. I don't remember any number.
I got it.
Plus 247. Oh, was it 247?
Negative
339.
Yes, minus 339 and 247 was for the ClCl.
Yeah, I was putting in the down here, but it's okay down there. But I want it up there because now I can calculate delta HP1, and you don't have to memorize some dude's name. You got 2 numbers, add them as they are right here.
Okay.
Plus 402 minus 431. Uh-oh, no calculator class. So I take the bigger one and subtract the smaller one. and then I take the negative of the answer because it's wrong. And then I got a 9, and I got a 2, and it's a negative 29 kilojoules per mole. Okay. So because I had small minus big, I flipped them and did big minus small, and then flipped my sign. And I better flip the sign. There we go. And same story for the next one. Delta HP. Oh, you already worked it out. Thank you. P2 equals plus 247 minus 339. And he says minus 92, minus 5?
92.
92. Kilojoules per mole, and just verifying, because we need practice. 339 minus 247, but the sign will be wrong. And we got a 2, and we got a 9, and he was correct. All right. And got 3 minutes. Delta H RXN equals, oh wow, I didn't notice the numbers are the same, but they're dyslexic. Yeah, reaction RXN. And that's negative 1, 2, 1. And on Wednesday, you got to tell me why this is Wednesday. Wednesday. Why? 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 With, yeah, is P1 the rate determining or slower? Yeah. Step question mark. P1 in this example. Please don't be memorizing prop 1 is the slow step every time. No, every time it's case by case, and you pick the less exothermic number. That's a little preview for you for free. Okay. But now I want on Wednesday to understand why. Okay. And I will see you Wednesday.